Okay.
All right. Hi. We're here again with deaf puppy Gabriel, and we are working on teaching him how to sit. He's going to be an easy one because he likes to sit. We're going to get him up so we can start fresh. We're going to lure him over. We can get on the side, lure him back, and let him have a treat. We are using lots and lots of small little pieces of hot dog for him. We're going to get him up. Up. He didn't do it, so I'm going to just use my food, lure him back, and as soon as his little butt hits the ground, I'm going to let him have the treat. There we go. Good job. We're going to get him up again. Give him the sign. And flash. And the sign I use for sit is this. Good job. And now we're going to let him have a break.
Can we stop?